Hello, loves. I'm Bree. Welcome to Ink on Paper, where we plan for home, business, and entertaining. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bree's Project Book. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to do our sideboard here. We're going to put this on fast forward and get ready to do that. The sticker books we are going to start with are the Sophisticated Florals, Journaling Doodles, Black and White, and the Planner Words Letters by Kelva Plan. Of course, we're going to have our sticker pack ready to go, and we can go ahead and get started. I went ahead and white out the Happy Planner decals and the month at the top corner. We are starting with a different floral sticker this time. I decided to change it up a bit with a floral ring instead, and we're going to add our month sticker right in the center. Most of you are familiar with how I set up my budget planner, so for you new visitors, I use my sideboard for 3 categories: home, pay bills, and savings. The top arrow is for my home category, and this row is for any home management spending such as utilities, mortgage, and maintenance. The second arrow is the pay bills category, and these are bills where all of my credit cards, auto pays, and any unexpected spending occurs. Last is self-explanatory, is my savings category, and that's any money that's coming into the home. So after we did our sideboard, we have a lot of white space left. So we're going to play with it a little bit of decor this month. I decided to do a little bit more decorating than usual. I normally don't decorate my budget planner. It's more functional use than anything because it's a lot of boxes and writing going on. So it can get pretty busy. So I'm going to add some decor boxes here and probably some quotes here and there and maybe some more florals. I'm not sure about this quote sticker, so I'm going to stick it here temporarily. Right here in the savings row, I have 2 accounts, and we're going to put 2 savings stickers here to represent those accounts. And then right here on the top where the home is, we're going to add our grocery online sticker. And we have a place here for groceries and gas. And I put my amount here in that box for the gas and the groceries. And then I'm going to add my spending label right on top of my spending column. We're going to be doing a lot of spending here in November because of the holidays coming up. So I want to keep track of that. Okay, so I think we are ready to put this back on here. We can see how this looks. Some odd reason. We'll put that there. And then I think I have a place for this sticker, or I don't know how I feel about this spread, y'all. I'm not too sure about this spread. It's just like, ugh. But that's okay. We're going to keep going. I think we're at the end. I am not going to do any more. I think I'm done. Because it's the budget. I don't do much decorating for the budget anyway. So I am going to just go with what we have here. And this spread is okay. It's not my favorite, but it is done. Alright, so this is what we have so far. Now we're going to place it in the planner. Okay, everyone, there it is. That's our budget spread for the week of 8th through the 14th. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm not too crazy about how it looks. Maybe a little too flowery, maybe too much petals, I'm not sure, but it's the budget section. I really don't decorate it that much, and since I had so much space, I just got carried away. But anyway, I hope you guys liked it or appreciated it at least. But thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here with me today, and I hope you will come back again next time. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.